Hello everyone, this is King IT. This video I will show you how to use this A4 board, and you can control the analog output from 0 to 10 volt. So you can drive your LED strip or drive your lamp to change the brightness. You can see this A4 board have two analog output ports. This is ground, and this is channel 1 and channel 2. This is from the GPIO. You can see our diagram, which GPIO you will use. And now I will show you, I can use this multimeter. I can test the output voltage. And you can see I can turn on. This is turn on the switch, and this is lamp. And the multimeter about 8 volt. Actually, we can change to the max. The max is about 9.5 volt, about 10 volt. So you can see I can change the brightness output the different voltage. You can see I can change the dimmer, and the voltage is down and off. So that is almost 0. And this is about half. And you can change, and change. So we can control its output the different voltage to control your drivers. Now I will tell you how to configure with the ESPHome for the home assistant. You can see this is a 2 channel. Every channel you can output 0 to 10. Now I delete it. I tell you how to step by step. You can delete the card and delete the card and delete all. Okay, now it's empty. And you can see this is our form. I have posted this lesson 88. This is lesson 28. How to use A4 ESP32 DAC output for 0 to 10 output. This is a config file for ESPHome. So first you just need to install the ESPHome plugin, and we can delete this. This is I have already created. Now is new, because the ESP32, the ESPHome supports the ESP32 DAC inside. So this is mainly about the configuration. You can find this ESPHome online guide. So I can add the device, and the name we can KC868-A4, and the Wi-Fi SSID is yours. This is a password. Also is your Wi-Fi SSID and the password. We choose ESP32 and close. And this is complete. And we can edit. And this is configuration. I have make you just copy and paste. So you can copy and paste. Paste. It's very easy. But you need to change the SSID and the password, and also this is the SSID and the password. This is used for the AP mode for the hotspot. If you not need to use, you can delete it. And also you don't want to use the Wi-Fi hotspot, you just delete it. And the mainly is this output. The platform is ESP32 DAC because we have used this ESP32 DAC. And this is the GPIO. The GPIO is 25 and 26 we have used for the A4 board. Actually, the ESPHome only supports the 25 and 26, channel 1 and channel 2. So you can define the two ID. One ID is DAC output 1, another ID is DAC output 2. So this is very easy for the output. And you need to create two lights, because we need to install two lights on the dashboard. So the platform is this one, and the output is just from the output DAC output 1 ID, and this is the name, and this is the correct this diagram, and this is as seen as the channel 1 and the channel 2 is seen. And just the important is two sections, output and the lights, and you just press save and install, and install by USB, because we have connected the USB cable with the Raspberry Pi. Or maybe you have not worked without Raspberry Pi, just use your PC, such as your Home Assistant, is installed on the Windows or Linux PC, is also no problem. We just click this USB drive, and next, and it will be downloaded. We just need to wait for a moment, and we'll compile the files, and we'll download to the ESP32 module. After we download, we need to just add the entity to the dashboard. We just wait because this is output the logo file. Okay, now it's successful. You can see began to write. Okay, after 100%, you can see it began to work. This is find the Wi-Fi, and this is the IP address for the module. And you can see this is quit the DAC light. And now it's connected successfully, so we can close, stop. And you can see this is A4, and we can go to configuration and integration. And you will see the 4 entity ID. This is 2 entity ID is for create. And this is the light A4 DAC1 and A4 DAC2. So we just click the overview, and this is the dashboard. We just edit dashboard, and we can add a card. Because you want to change the brightness, we can use this slide, and just click. And this is the entity. We can choose this A4 DAC1 and save. And now you can see this is the icon. If you want to add the second DAC, you can just choose the DAC2 and save. Okay, this have create. If you don't want to create the switch button, you can use this 2 icon is enough. You can see I can control it. This is voltage. Voltage, you can see I can change it. Change it becomes small. So the voltage is down, and change. And the voltage is down, and until I change to the 0, so almost is 0. So this is for turn on, and change the brightness. Or maybe you will not connect with your lamp, or maybe you will connect fan speed or pump speed. So this is how to use this icon and Home Assistant to output different analog voltage from this board. Okay, thanks for watching.